Hi, in this video, we will look at the following main character. Henry Ford once said, "If I had asked what people wanted, they would have said a faster horse." Although this quote is used to discredit customer surveys, Henry Ford understood that people wanted to go farther and faster. And motorized cars were the answer. This is the ancient version of the main character we are looking at today. It depicts the shape of a horse-drawn carriage. This is how the character looks today. Can you see the similarities with the ancient character? This character means cart or vehicle. Although this character is depicting a horse-drawn carriage, the same character is now used to mean car and other forms of transportation. It is used in these words, 出租车, which means taxi, 公共汽车, which means bus, and 自行车, which means bicycle. Now that you know the main character, let's see it with some other characters. Can you still see the main character? The character on the right depicts a wide field full of produce. A small garden can be tended by one person alone, but a large field might need the assistance of a cart. This character means assist. It is used in this word, 辅导, which means tutor. Let's see the next character. Now, the character on the right of the cart depicts a loom. It is a variation of this traditional character. A loom is a machine that makes fabric, and there is a piece called a shuttle that moves back and forth in a swift motion to weave the yarn or thread. For a cart to move swiftly, like that shuttle, it needs to be as light as possible. This character means light. It is used in this word, 年轻, which means young. Here's another character. Can you find the cart? Now, the character surrounding the cart means go. Time is a connected and continuous thing like the wheels on a cart. This character means connect. It is used in this phrase. Can you find the character? This phrase means, it rained continuously for 5 days. Here's the last character. Now the character around the cart symbolizes a house. A house where you store carts for work is a warehouse. This character means warehouse. Now from here, we will add the character for clothes. In ancient China, most men and women used to wear skirts. Later, modern pants became more popular due to the influence of combat uniforms in the 15th century. Pants are more suitable for working in a warehouse. This character means pants. It is used in this word, 裤子, which means pants or trousers. These are the characters we looked at today. How many could you recognize? Hit like if you learned some new Chinese characters, and subscribe to stay in the loop. That's it for this video. Have a good day or good night, and I hope you enjoyed learning some Chinese characters. See you in the next one.